Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making bacon in the air fryer. It's really easy to make. Give it a try. The great thing about making bacon in the air fryer is that all the juices will go to the bottom of the basket so it drains out. So let's get started. We're gonna set the air fryer at 390 degrees and we're going for 8 minutes. Let's start. And we'll be back. Alright, it's been preheated and now we're gonna put in the bacon. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. It's okay if it overlaps just a little bit. And if you have a thicker cut bacon, you might want to add more than 8 minutes. There we go, nicely spaced out, all 6 pieces of bacon. And we're gonna leave it in there for 390 degrees for 8 minutes. And at the halfway point, we'll flip them over. Okay, we're at the halfway point, 4 minutes. And we're gonna flip them over real quick. Hot, hot. Okay, let's flip them over. Looking good, smells really good. Make sure they're spaced out evenly. If they touch a little bit, that's okay. Okay, looking good. Now we're gonna put it in for the last 4 minutes. Okay, the bacon's ready. It's been 8 minutes at 390 degrees and we're gonna take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. Smells really good. Nice and crispy. Let's take them out. Perfect crispness. If you want it a little bit more crispier, or if you have a thicker cut bacon, you should leave it in there a little bit longer. But 8 minutes at 390 degrees looks perfect to me. But if you want it just a little bit more crispier, you can go ahead and put it in for just a couple more minutes if you want. This is what we have today, bacon made in the air fryer. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Here, have a bite.